Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change your store name on Shopify. First of all, you can open the Shopify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can now tap on settings at the very last. And after tap on settings, you can just simply scroll down, tap on general in the store settings, and after this you can now tap on my store and click on the pencil icon, and here you can see the option store name. You can just simply remove your first store name and enter a new store name, and it is the way you can change your store name on Shopify. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.